their seats. To all our foreign guests, mga kababayan, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today, we celebrate not merely a date, but the courage of a people who fought for freedom and sovereignty. Noong Hunyo 12, 1898, sa Kawit, Cavite, ipinahayag ni Pangulong Emilio Aguinaldo ang pagsilang ng isang malaya at nagsasariling bansang Pilipinas. Matapos ang mahigit 300 taon ng pananakop. But freedom was never a gift. It was paid for and earned through courage. It was paid with Filipino grit and bravery. When the Treaty of Paris transferred our homeland from one colonial master to another without the consent of the Filipino people, our forebears refused to be bought and sold like property. Pinili nila ang paglaban kaysa pagsuko, ang dangal kaysa pagpapasakop. This is our inheritance. Lumaban tayo sa bawat puwersang nagtatangkang magdikta ng ating kapalaran. Thousands gave their lives so that one flag and one flag alone would fly over this republic. That is our identity. That is our duty. We fought for our sovereignty against foreign invaders. But sovereignty is not lost only to those who come from foreign shores. Nawawala rin ito sa tuwing ang serbisyo publiko ay nagiging pribadong negosyo. Kung ang mga opisyal ng gobyerno ay sindikato sa pagnanakaw ng pera ng bayan. Every peso stolen from the people's treasury steals a child's freedom from hunger. It steals a student's freedom from illiteracy or substandard education. It steals a patient's freedom to obtain quality health care. It steals a worker's freedom to earn a decent living. Every ghost project is a classroom never built. Every corrupt contract is a road that was never built for farmers to bring their produce to the market. Ang korupsyon ay hindi lamang pagnanakaw ng pera. It steals opportunity. It steals dignity. And it steals hope. And ultimately, it steals freedom itself. Rizal, Bonifacio, Luna, and thousands of other Filipino heroes fought so that every Filipino could live with justice, dignity, opportunity, and hope. Mga kababayan, freedom is never permanent unless it is defended. Sovereignty survives only when a people refuse to surrender it. Hope survives when citizens refuse to accept bad governance as their destiny. Hope survives when citizens act together, have their voices heard, demand what our heroes fought so gallantly for: the right of every Filipino to a dignified human life. Hope survives when our people believe they have a better future. On this Independence Day, let us resolutely stand up for truth, for accountability, for freedom, and for sovereignty. Piliin natin ulit ang paglaban kaysa pagsuko, ang dangal kaysa sa pagpapasakop. Piliin natin ang katotohanan. Piliin natin ang pananagutan. At higit sa lahat, piliin natin ang pag-asa. Mubarog ug makigbisog kita batok sa tanang puwersa nga musulay sa pagbuot sa atong kapalaran. Uban sa paglaom nga nagikan sa dili malupig nga gahom sa kasing-kasing sa katawhang Pilipino. Ang Independence Day mao ang atong adlaw sa paglaom nga ang kagawasan ug soberanya maugyod ang atong tinuod ug malungtarong kabilin. Mga kababayan, ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.